Cells. They are what make up your body. What's in them? What different types are there? What are the differences between the different types? Here, we'll take a look. As you can see here, we have a comparison between a plant and an animal cell. Really, these are the two basic cells you need to focus on. As you can see, there are many similarities and differences. For example, the plant has a cell wall and chloroplast, whereas the animal cell doesn't. The plant cell also has a vacuole, which the animal cell also doesn't. Let's see them in action. For example, here we have muscular tissue from the species Ovis aries, or the common domestic sheep. This is mutton. I stuck some mutton under a microscope. It's pretty hard to see. You could see it well in the beginning. Let's cut back to that. Thank you, editor. Yeah, you can see here that the cells are very loosely organized thanks to the cell membrane. This is actually how the animals' muscles are able to contract because of the cell membrane, which is loose and not rigid like a cell wall, which is why plants are more stiff. Don't actually quote me on that. It might be due to something else like the fibers or whatever, but I personally think it's because of the cell wall. And I just did a quick Google search. Turns out I'm correct. It is a cell wall. Actually, how about we take a look at some plant cells now? These are cells for the base of the stem of the species Allium fistulosum, otherwise known as a spring onion. As you can see, there aren't any nucleus in there for some reason. I think it's because I didn't leave the dye in long enough for, also because they were dead. Dead shit, like dead plant and shit, you know? Could have gotten it from a live plant, but it was it was in the fridge for about 6 days. So yeah, that's probably why you can't see the organelles. Either that, or it's because these cells do not have nuclei, which is also a possibility. This is because these are leaf cells from the species Coriandrum sativum, which I think you should be able to tell what that is. It's coriander. Yeah. So if you can barely see, you can see all the little different fibers and stuff, all the cell walls. I'm sorry for making really bad recording. I don't know what I was on here, but yeah. So yeah, those are what leaf cells. You can barely see the organelles, right? So in conclusion, animal cells lack cell walls and vacuoles and chloroplasts, which are needed for photosynthesis, and plant cells do have those. Oh, and those are pretty much the differences between animal and plant cells. Thank you for your time, and God bless you.